Want to grow on YouTube and start earning from your content? You don't need expensive equipment. All you need is your phone to get started.
You need a clear strategy. You need consistency. And content that people actually want to watch.
First, choose one clear niche. Pick a topic you enjoy and can create content about consistently. To stand out, you need to find your niche. It could be technology, gaming, or finance. Pick what you know best. Then start creating content. Don't try to make videos about everything. A clear niche helps viewers understand why they should follow your channel.
To grow your audience, solve their real problems. Answer the questions they are already searching for. Look for common questions in your comments. Ready to grow on YouTube? Let's cover the basics for beginners today. First, focus on your niche and always upload consistently. Hit subscribe for more daily tips.
Before creating a video, ask yourself, what does my audience want to learn? And how can I help them? Now focus on your title and thumbnail. These are important because they help viewers decide whether to click. Keep your thumbnail simple. Use a clear visual and just a few words. Focus on one strong idea. That's how you get views.
Stop writing boring titles. Curiosity is key, but honesty is what keeps them watching. The secret is balancing expectation with reality. Master this and watch your views skyrocket.
But getting the click is only the beginning. You also need to keep viewers watching.
Want to make your content more engaging? Start with a hook and keep it simple. Visual aids like this help retain focus. Try this in your next video. To make videos interesting, use examples and stories, like how visual graphics show a camera shutter. This story of motion blur explains shutter speed. Try it yourself.
As your channel grows and you meet YouTube's eligibility requirements, you may qualify for monetization features.
Let's talk about making money. Beyond standard ad revenue, creators can also explore sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Think about memberships or digital products, or even offer direct services.
But don't focus only on making money. First, build trust and create an audience. Focus on creating an audience that values your content. Start with one video, learn from every upload, and keep improving. That's how you can grow and earn on YouTube.